Well, hello and welcome to Jim's Radio Shop. We're in the final stages of testing, in fact, the OTL Amplifier, which I've just finished replacing these capacitors. I apologize if you've been watching the videos because apparently my camera likes to shut off all the time. So I'm just going to fire this guy up here. Considering we just put two new capacitors in, I think we're going to bring it up on power limiting. I think we better bring it up on power limiting first. So we'll switch in power limiting. Using the backlight. We're plugged in over here. Actual switch is off. Okay. We have this voltmeter connected, so we can see the imbalance voltage. 0 is center right now. Yeah, just watch the scale down here. And the scale we're set to is 1.5 volts, so it has to really travel all the way. In fact, yeah, it's 1.5 volts all the way, so it's a small imbalance. We'll take it full scale. You know what, I'm going to change that scale. I'm going to change it to 5 volts. Now, 1.5 is about here and about there. Okay. That's a little better, 1.5, somewhere around there. So hopefully we won't see that. And this meter is going to give us our line voltage, and this one will give us our percent line voltage, because this meter only works to 100. Once the line voltage is below 100, it just looks like it does now. But this one gives us the percentage. For instance, the percentage of line voltage reaching this amp right now is 0 because the switch is off. So we have this one down, and we're going to turn this on. You'll see a bright light come on back here and stay on probably for quite a while. Here we go. Well, actually, we have to turn the actual switch on the unit. Yeah, ready? There we go. There's the bright light. Wow, that's very bright. But there is some voltage reaching the amp, almost nothing. Okay, so we're going to give a little more power here. See that meter slowly climb? That's the charge going into those big honking capacitors. Oh my god. So there's now about 30 volts on this, on the amp. Of course, don't think we would see anything happening here yet at all. It's still climbing, getting up a little higher yet. Wow. Okay, we're going to cut the power. Now we're going to energize it full supply. Voltage. And this has drawn more power out of my system than I've ever seen before, so it looks almost like a short circuit. So I'm a little hesitant, but I shouldn't really be. And I have fuses in my house too. So these capacitors would make a big bang if I've done something wrong. I wouldn't want to be so close. So we'll hit the switch, we'll watch this meter. Hopefully it's going to climb right up to around 90, something like that. Maybe even 95. And this meter should be showing up around 110, somewhere in that area. If we see anything else, switch is off. Here we go. Yeah. Let's try it again. Now we're armed. We're ready to operate full power. There we are, 95. There we are, 115. All looks well. Exciting time it is. You can see the tubes are lighting up. Watching, we got to let 45 seconds go by, about 40 seconds actually. And the protection relay will operate. Let's keep our eye on this meter now and listen. You'll hear a click. Beautiful. Oop, what was that? Booey. Not so beautiful. Okay, I just switched it off. That's not what we wanted to see. Okay, so first thing we want to check. Open this guy up. I'm a little heartbroken. Did I overlook any accidental short circuits or other? I push something into a ground connection. It shouldn't be that way. Yeah, it's really kind of disturbing. Since I had every expectation that was going to work. Nothing caught fire, nothing smoked. Nothing got hot. Well, a disappointing result. Let's try it again, and then we're going to remove 2 tubes. Gee, I just saw corrosion come popping right out of there. There's my powerful magnifier. Let's take a look here. Let's see. Doesn't look too bad. Look under the magnifier. Take that tube out. Take this one out. Oh. He's a bad guy. Let's see if I can get a look at that for you. If you look at those pins, there's a fair bit of corrosion on them. Yeah. So that may have been the problem. Maybe just kind of bad contact with the pin there. So Let's take a look at the other ones. Doesn't look too bad. Putting it in and out is going to have quite a cleaning effect on it, too. Doesn't look too bad. Okay, so let's start the amp up again. And this time we'll do it with just 2 of these tubes in. Power's on, the switch is in, and the on switch is on. Ready, and go. Now, we'll check the grid voltages here. $53, $45. Oh, they're quite a ways out. 53 and 45. Well, that sounded bad, to be honest with you. I thought I could hear something sizzling. No, could have just been the fan. I don't smell anything at all. Well, the next step is to pull the other 2 tubes out. Fire it up without them. Just waiting the 45 seconds here. Hasn't that been 45 seconds? Notice the 4 6SN7 tubes do not seem to be heating at all. That's just not good. Okay. We're going to take a break. Thanks for watching. And I hope you're feeling bad for me now. Bye.